App crashing when calling the Msvcp100.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. This DLL file is the Microsoft C++ standard library for Visual Studio 2010. It provides foundational routines for memory management and object-oriented logic for applications relying on the 2010 runtime environment. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. A standard engineering fix involves redeploying Microsoft Visual C++. Head over to Microsoft, grab the specific x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributables, and run them to replace any damaged components. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Msvcp100, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Remember that the Msvcp100.dll is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Click the link below for the recommended diagnostic utility. It's an efficient way to manage the Msvcp100 and organize your Windows environment for better stability. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time Microsoft Visual C++ encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.